Let me show you how. Smart budgeting and financial planning. The first step to building wealth in South Africa or anywhere is getting your financial house in order. And that starts with budgeting. I know it might seem basic, but budgeting is the foundation of wealth.
I want to show you guys on how you can make a simple budget tracker using Google Sheets. So that way you can track your upcoming expenses and income, which I think is pretty useful as a young adult or just to anyone in general. And the one I'll be making is so simple that you could probably just do it yourself in 5 minutes. And I'll show you exactly on how to do it in. So here I am on a new Google Sheets document, and I'm just going to type in 2024 budget tracker, right? And with this, I'm just going to make the title a little bit larger. If you go to the very front and you do Windows key and a dot, you can actually type in an emoji. So I'm just going to put the money sign here just to make it look nice. And next I'm going to be typing the month that I'm going to be doing this for, which is going to be January. You could always duplicate this sheet. So if you want to make it for February, March, April, whatever, you can always have different sheets here. So you can just rename this to just January. Next up is I'm going to type in the income here, and I'm going to type in expenses here, right? So you obviously have your paycheck, your income, and your expenses that you spend on.
Start by tracking your income and expenses. Identify areas where you can cut costs. It's not about depriving yourself. It's about understanding where your money is going. Use budgeting apps like Moneyfy or Good Budget, or just keep it old school with pen and paper if that works for you. The 50-30-20 rule is a simple guideline that you can follow. 50% of your income goes to needs like rent, groceries, and utilities. 30% goes to wants, entertainment, dining out, etc. 20% goes to savings and debt repayment. Being diligent about budgeting will allow you to redirect funds towards your financial goals.